Good morning, students. Welcome to the second standard. In the first standard, you learned the different subject. But in the second standard, you are going to learn one new subject, that is the computer. So, we will see what is the computer. Nowadays, all kids are familiar with the computer. Especially they are using the computer for the playing game. In the first standard, in the EVS, we learn the different parts of body. Like that, computer is also having different parts. What are that different parts? We will see one by one. Look at this picture. In this picture, we can see the different parts of the computer. First, which I am pointing, it is the monitor. Second one is the CPU. It is the printer, mouse, keyboard, speakers. Now we will see the monitor in detail. The monitor, the part of the computer which looks like a TV, it is called as a monitor. It shows us the work done on a computer. We can see the different types of movies, cartoons on the monitor. There are different types of the monitor. In the picture, it is looking clearly that a LED monitor and the CRT monitor. CRT monitors are very old monitors, and as compared to the LED monitors, they are very heavy and they are used into the olden days. But nowadays we are using the LED types of the monitor, and they are very thin and we can easily carry them. So next part. See, it is the keyboard and it looks like a typewriter, and keyboard is used to type. And so many different types of keys are there on the keyboard. More than 100 keys we can see on the keyboards. That small buttons are called as a keys. There are so many number keys, alphabetical keys, and that keys are used to give the command on the computer. Okay. See, what is this? All of you know that. Exact. It is the mouse. And mouse is the pointing device. It is used to pointing and the choosing pictures, icons, etc. A mouse pointer helps us to point, select and move an atom on the screen. And in the mouse also, there are different types of the mouse. See, first one is the ball mouse, optical mouse, wireless mouse. Then what is the difference between all these three mouse? The ball mouse uses rubber, see here, for the cursor movement, and the optical mouse uses light instead of the rubber for the cursor movement. Students, which is the important part of the body? Exactly, brain. Like that, computer is also having the brain. And which is the brain of the computer? CPU is called as the brain of the computer. CPU means Central Processing Unit, and that Central Processing Unit is the brain of the mouse, and that brain is situated inside a cabinet called as a CPU box. It can do the numbers of calculations within a second. As like a brain controls our other body parts, exactly like that CPU also controls other parts of the computer. So next, it is the speaker. See, look at the picture. Speaker is used to listen the music or any sound played on the computer. The output, the data in the form of the sound. Here it is the picture of the headphones, earphones. They are also like the speakers, but when we want to listen the sound, music personally, that time we can use the earphones. Earphones are smaller in size as compared to the headphones. But the constant use and the loud volume of the earphones headphones may damage the our eardrums sound. That sound can make the damage to our eardrums. See, do you know what is this? I know all of you are very much familiar with this part of computer, because constantly you are using this part, and this part is called as a joystick. Joystick is used to play games on the computer. Okay, now we will go to the next part. It is the web camera. Web camera captures the photos and the videos, and if we want to make the video call, that time also that web camera is useful. So the last part, see, here you can see clearly three pictures, and it is the printer. Printer is used to take printout of the work which we did on the computer. If we want the copy of that work, that time printer is used. And when the printer gives us the copy of our work, that copy is called as a hard copy. And in the picture, it is clearly mentioned that there are three types of the printers. First one is the dot matrix printer. Second is the inkjet printer, and third is the laser printer. So what is the difference between that? Dot matrix printer is very slow as compared to the inkjet and the laser, and it makes noise. But inkjet and the laser printers can do the work very fast. So all these are the different parts of the computer. So within the 2 minutes we will revise. So what are the different parts of the computer? Main parts of the computers are monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. Okay? Do you like this lesson? Okay.